Logistics Coordinator Day in the Life. Find logistics and warehouse jobs with workers. Direct. Explore the dynamic world of a logistics coordinator, where every day brings new challenges and opportunities to streamline operations, manage inventory, and ensure smooth deliveries. Join us as we delve into the day-to-day responsibilities and skills required for this crucial role. Introduction to the role bridging the gap. Logistics coordinators serve as the crucial link between warehousing, transportation, and customer needs, ensuring efficient flow of goods and information. Multifaceted responsibilities. From inventory management to shipping coordination, logistics coordinators juggle a diverse array of tasks to keep operations running smoothly. Pivotal decision-making. Quick thinking and problem-solving skills are essential as logistics coordinators navigate complex supply chain challenges in real time. Who is a logistics coordinator? Key responsibilities: oversee inventory, manage transportation, coordinate with vendors, and ensure timely deliveries. Multitasking expertise. Juggle multiple priorities, communicate with stakeholders, and make critical decisions under pressure. Analytical mindset utilize data-driven insights to optimize logistics operations and drive continuous improvements. Core responsibilities of a logistics coordinator: inventory management. Maintain accurate records, monitor stock levels, and ensure timely replenishment of supplies. Shipping coordination. Arrange transportation, oversee delivery schedules, and liaise with carriers to minimize delays. Supply chain integration. Collaborate with vendors, warehouses, and customers to streamline the flow of goods and information. Skills required for success: communication. Effectively liaise with cross-functional teams and external partners to ensure alignment and issue resolution. Problem solving. Demonstrate agility in addressing unexpected challenges and implementing creative solutions. Data-driven approach. Leverage analytics to optimize workflows, identify inefficiencies, and drive continuous improvement. Attention to detail. Maintain meticulous records and ensure accuracy in inventory, shipping, and documentation. Typical day overview morning briefings. Review the day's plan, discuss priorities, and align with the team. Inventory checks. Monitor stock levels, identify discrepancies, and update records. Coordination. Liaise with warehouse staff, vendors, and customers to ensure smooth operations. Shipping oversight. Oversee delivery schedules, track shipments, and address any issues. Morning briefings and planning review priorities. Assess the day's tasks, deadlines, and potential challenges. Team alignment. Communicate the plan and ensure everyone is on the same page. Contingency planning. Discuss potential issues and prepare alternative strategies. Inventory and stock checks, maintaining accuracy. Reconcile physical inventory with digital records to ensure precision. Identifying discrepancies. Investigate and address any differences between actual and reported stock. Replenishment planning. Coordinate with procurement to reorder supplies and prevent stockouts. Coordinating with warehouse staff, delegating tasks. Assign responsibilities and ensure clear understanding of expectations. Monitoring progress. Regularly check in on the status of tasks and provide support as needed. Addressing issues. Collaborate with the team to troubleshoot and resolve any problems. Overseeing shipping and delivery schedules. Order tracking. Monitor the status of outgoing shipments and provide updates to customers. Carrier coordination. Collaborate with transportation providers to ensure on-time and efficient deliveries. Continuous improvement. Analyze shipping data to identify areas for optimization and cost savings. A day in the life of a logistics coordinator. As a logistics coordinator, your day is filled with a diverse array of responsibilities, from problem-solving and data management to communication with suppliers and clients. This role is essential for ensuring smooth operations and timely deliveries. Data management and reporting, tracking inventory. Monitoring and updating inventory levels to ensure timely replenishment and minimize stockouts. Generating reports, compiling data, and creating detailed reports to provide insights and support decision-making. Analyzing trends, identifying patterns and trends in the data to optimize logistics processes and improve efficiency. Afternoon updates and adjustments, tracking shipments, monitoring the status of inbound and outbound shipments to ensure timely delivery, addressing delays, quickly identifying and resolving any delays or issues that may arise, adjusting plans, modifying schedules and routes as needed to adapt to changing conditions and priorities. Communication with suppliers and clients, collaborating with suppliers, coordinating with suppliers to ensure timely delivery of materials and resources. Managing client expectations, updating clients on shipment status and addressing any concerns or issues. Maintaining relationships, fostering strong, transparent relationships with both suppliers and clients. Resolving disputes, handling any disputes or conflicts that may arise in a professional and diplomatic manner. End-of-day inventory checks, documentation, updating inventory records and generating reports for management review. Physical inspection, conducting on-site checks to ensure accuracy of inventory levels and storage conditions. Data analysis, identifying any discrepancies or trends that require further investigation or action. Tools and software, commonly used inventory management systems, optimize inventory levels and track movements. Transportation management software, plan and monitor shipments, routes and deliveries. Warehouse management systems, manage storage, picking and packing processes. Data analytics and reporting tools, generate insights and support decision-making. Essential skills for logistics coordinators, problem solving, quickly identify and resolve issues that may disrupt operations. Time management, prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and juggle multiple responsibilities effectively. Communication, collaborate with cross-functional teams, suppliers, and clients to ensure alignment. Data analysis, interpret and leverage data to make informed, data-driven decisions. Benefits of working as a logistics coordinator. Varied responsibilities. No 2 days are the same, offering a diverse and engaging work experience. Competitive compensation. Logistics coordinators are in high demand and can earn competitive salaries. Opportunities for growth. Logistics is a dynamic field, presenting numerous avenues for advancement. Challenges in the role adapting to change. The logistics industry is constantly evolving, requiring continuous learning and adaptation. Managing pressure, balancing multiple priorities and deadlines can be demanding and stressful at times. Effective communication. Coordinating with a diverse range of stakeholders requires strong interpersonal skills. Opportunities for advancement. Specialized roles, opportunities to focus on specific areas like transportation, inventory management, or supply chain optimization. Managerial positions, advancement to supervisory or managerial roles. Overseeing a team of logistics coordinators. Business leadership transition to strategic planning and decision-making roles within the organization. A day in the life of a logistics coordinator. Logistics coordinators play a vital role in ensuring the seamless flow of goods and materials. This section provides a glimpse into the daily responsibilities and challenges faced by these unsung heroes of supply chain management. How Workers Direct helps you find jobs. Job matching workers. Direct's advanced algorithms match your skills and experience with suitable job openings, ensuring you're considered for the right opportunities. Application assistance. Our team provides guidance on crafting a compelling resume and cover letter, increasing your chances of getting noticed by employers. Interview prep. We offer mock interviews and tips to help you shine during the interview process and land your dream logistics coordinator role. How to register with Workers Direct. Step 1. Visit the Workers Direct website and click on the Register button to begin the process. Step 2. Complete the registration form with your personal details, work experience, and career goals. Step 3. Submit your application and wait for our team to review, and match you with suitable job opportunities. Available roles through Workers. Direct Warehouse Coordinator. Oversee the daily operations of a warehouse, ensuring efficient inventory management and timely order fulfillment. Transportation Coordinator, responsible for planning and coordinating the movement of goods, including scheduling deliveries and managing transportation providers. Supply Chain Analyst, collect and analyze data to identify ways to optimize the supply chain, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Logistics Specialist, handle the end-to-end logistics of product distribution, including inventory management, order processing, and customer service. Tips for acing the job interview. Research the company. Familiarize yourself with the organization's history, mission, and current challenges to demonstrate your understanding and interest. Highlight relevant skills. Emphasize your abilities in areas such as inventory management, process optimization, and problem solving. Prepare insightful questions. Have a list of thoughtful questions that showcase your enthusiasm and curiosity about the role and the company. Practice, practice, practice. Role-play the interview with a friend or mentor to build confidence and refine your responses. Success stories, career advancement. Logistics coordinators who have worked with Workers Direct have seen their careers take off, with many securing promotions and leadership roles. Increased earnings. Our job placement services have helped logistics professionals find higher paying positions that better align with their skills and experience. Fulfilling partnerships. Candidates have formed lasting relationships with our team, who have provided ongoing support and guidance throughout their job search. Industry recognition. Many of our placed candidates have gone on to receive awards and accolades for their outstanding contributions to their logistics teams. Additional resources for aspiring logistics coordinators online courses. Explore a wide range of logistics and supply chain management courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy to enhance your skills. Industry certifications. Consider earning certifications such as the Certified Logistics Associate, CLA, or Certified Logistics Technician, CLT, to boost your credentials. Professional associations join organizations like the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, CSCMP, to stay connected with the latest industry trends and networking opportunities. Final tips for a successful career in logistics. Embrace continuous learning. Stay up to date with industry best practices and emerging technologies to maintain a competitive edge. Foster collaboration. Work closely with cross-functional teams, such as transportation, procurement, and customer service, to optimize the supply chain. Develop adaptability. Be prepared to navigate changing market conditions, shifting customer demands, and unexpected disruptions with agility and problem-solving skills. Common mistakes to avoid in logistics. Coordination, lack of communication. Effective communication with stakeholders, suppliers, and customers is crucial to avoid misunderstandings and delays. Poor data management. Failing to maintain accurate and up-to-date records can lead to inventory discrepancies and delivery issues. Inefficient planning. Neglecting to plan and coordinate logistics activities can result in bottlenecks, missed deadlines, and increased costs. Lack of flexibility. Being rigid and unwilling to adapt to changing circumstances can hinder the ability to respond to unexpected challenges. Next steps with Workers Direct register today. Visit our website and complete the registration process to get started on your path to a rewarding logistics coordinator role. Connect with our team. Our experienced recruiters are here to provide personalized guidance and support throughout your job search. Explore available opportunities. Browse our extensive database of logistics coordinator positions and let us help you find the perfect fit.